Ever get frustrated with slow app launches and multitasking issues on your Xiaomi phone due to low RAM? Don't worry, in this quick video, I'll show you how to use memory extension to turn your storage into RAM. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit and find the Additional Settings option. Then, tap on Additional Settings. Next, from the list, tap on Memory Extension. After that, toggle the memory extension switch to on. Now, you'll be prompted to reboot your phone, so go ahead and tap the Reboot button. Once your phone restarts, go back to the settings and choose the size of the extended RAM you want. And there you have it. That's how you can extend the RAM on any Xiaomi phone, whether it's a POCO, Mi, or Redmi model. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tips and tricks related to Xiaomi phones, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more coming your way. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!